let's learn how to derive an expression for acceleration of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. According to the definition of simple harmonic motion is periodic motion and acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement, and acceleration is always towards the mean position. Now, what is the value of the acceleration of the particle executing simple harmonic motion? Let's begin with the displacement equation. We know that the displacement equation of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is y equals a sine omega t. If I want acceleration, and you know that acceleration is rate of change of velocity, so first I go for velocity and then for acceleration. Now, how to go for velocity? Velocity is rate of change of y, that is displacement. Therefore, differentiating with respect to t, where t is time. So, left hand side becomes dy by dt equals, I differentiate right hand side, a constant, write it as it is, sine omega t. Differential coefficient is cos omega t into differential coefficient of omega t is omega. Therefore, v equals a omega cos omega t. This is velocity. Now, from velocity, if I want acceleration, as per the definition of acceleration, what is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. So, what I need to do to get acceleration, I have to differentiate velocity equation. I have to take rate of change of velocity. Taking rate of change of velocity means differentiate velocity with respect to time. That gives rate of change of velocity. So, differentiating with respect to t, where t is time. What will happen to dv? What will happen to v? V becomes dv by dt. It is the symbol of differentiation. It means that velocity is differentiated with respect to time. Means that I am taking rate of change of velocity is equal to, now I have to differentiate. A omega is constant, write it as it is. Now only cos omega t has to be differentiated, which is minus sine omega t, because the differential coefficient of cos theta is minus sine theta. In addition to that, I have to take the differential coefficient of omega t, which is omega. So, now I can replace dv by dt as acceleration. A equals minus a omega square sine omega t, or a equals minus a sine omega t. A sine omega t is y. So, I can write it as minus omega square y, which is the expression for the acceleration of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. Here, negative sign indicates that the acceleration is in a direction opposite to the displacement, because when a bob of a simple pendulum goes to the extreme position, it has to come back to its original position. So, acceleration keeps acting like this, but it is pulled towards the mean position. So, acceleration is opposite to the direction of the displacement.